India is making a determined push to become a global hub for international arbitration. This vision, championed by Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, aims to transform dispute resolution for both domestic and international businesses. At a recent New Delhi conference, Meghwal declared India's intent to lead in world-class legal services, backed by concrete government action. The focus is on building a robust ecosystem for alternative dispute resolution, or ADR, to meet the demands of a rapidly growing economy. As India's economy expands, the need for reliable, timely dispute resolution is critical. Lengthy court battles can stifle growth and deter investment. By positioning itself as an arbitration center, India is addressing this need with a system aligned to international best practices and rooted in its own traditions. This is about building trust and assuring investors that disputes will be handled professionally and impartially. Prime Minister Modi's vision for a vibrant dispute resolution ecosystem guides this movement. The government recognizes that a strong legal framework is essential for economic progress. By championing arbitration, India is laying a new foundation for commerce to thrive, free from the delays of traditional litigation. The message is clear. India is ready to lead in global dispute resolution. Resolving disputes outside formal courts is deeply rooted in India's history. For centuries, village panchayats settled disagreements through mediation and consensus, delivering swift, restorative justice. Law Minister Meghwal highlights this tradition as a cornerstone of Indian society, valuing harmony over conflict. Colonial rule shifted the focus to formal courts, overshadowing these indigenous methods. Meanwhile, global arbitration centers emerged elsewhere, attracting international business. India's current initiative is about reclaiming this lost legacy and blending ancient wisdom with modern frameworks. This approach gives India a unique cultural advantage, positioning it as a natural leader in arbitration. By reconnecting with its roots, India can build an authentic, innovative arbitration ecosystem. As India steps onto the global stage, it does so with the confidence of a nation revitalizing a time-honored practice for the modern world. India's courts face a massive backlog, with millions of cases pending. This delay affects citizens and businesses alike, stalling projects and discouraging investment. Arbitration offers a solution, especially for commercial disputes where time is money. As ONGC Chairman Arun Kumar Singh notes, arbitration must be timely, not timeless. Prolonged litigation erodes trust and wastes resources, especially in disputes between government entities. Law Minister Meghwal emphasizes that arbitration can resolve intergovernmental conflicts more efficiently. Moving such cases to arbitration frees up judicial time and public resources. The goal is a multi-track justice system, routine cases handled digitally, complex ones through institutional arbitration. By mainstreaming arbitration, India can reduce its judicial backlog and create a more responsive legal system. The government is enacting sweeping reforms to realize its arbitration hub vision. Outdated laws are being repealed, simplifying the legal landscape and reducing unnecessary litigation. Technology is transforming courts and arbitration. Digital records and virtual hearings make justice faster and more accessible. The Department of Legal Affairs now encourages government bodies to favor institutional arbitration and avoid unnecessary court challenges. This top-down commitment signals trust in arbitration and fosters a culture of final, binding resolution. These reforms are integral to building a developed India, where legal infrastructure supports national progress. India is shifting from ad hoc to institutional arbitration for greater efficiency. Ad hoc arbitration, while flexible, often leads to delays and procedural disputes. Institutional arbitration offers structure, vetted arbitrators, and professional administration, ensuring smooth, credible proceedings. Justice Hemant Gupta urges businesses to embrace this model, which aligns with global best practices. The government's support for the India International Arbitration Centre is key to building international confidence. This shift is about establishing India as a centre of excellence for arbitration. India's reforms and focus on institutional arbitration are making it a top destination for global investors. A predictable, efficient dispute resolution system reduces risk and attracts capital. This new ecosystem supports long-term partnerships and economic growth, aligning with India's broader ambitions. Unified support from government and industry leaders ensures these reforms are practical and effective. India is methodically building an arbitration hub by blending heritage, legal reform, and credible institutions. This new framework will attract international commerce and solidify India's global economic status. The world can be confident. India is open for business, with a justice system ready to support it.